Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a domain server. First, you'll need to choose a domain registrar to register your desired domain name. This is the address people will use to find your website, like your website. .com. Next, select a web hosting provider. This company will store your website's files and make them accessible on the internet. These two services, domain registration and web hosting, are distinct but work together seamlessly. Once you have both a domain and hosting, the next step is to connect them. You'll find specific name server addresses provided by your web host, typically 2 or more. Log into your domain registrar's control panel and update your domain's name server settings with these addresses. This tells your domain where to find your website's files. Be patient, as it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. With your domain pointing to your host, it's time for some basic server configuration. Log into your hosting control panel, which is frequently cPanel or Plesk. Here, you can create a new website or add your domain to an existing hosting account. Many hosts offer one-click installers for popular content management systems, such as WordPress, which can get your site up and running in just a few minutes. Finally, it's time to test your setup and go live. Open a web browser and type in your domain name to ensure your website loads correctly. Also, confirm that your secure socket layer certificate is active, indicated by HTTPS / in the address bar, providing a secure connection for your visitors. With everything confirmed, you can now begin the exciting process of building and populating your website with content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.